Welcome to Professor Xplain's channel. In this video, we are going to Lefkada, a Greek island in the Ionian Sea. Join us on a journey as we explore the highlights of Lefkada in the following several videos. Welcome to Greece, officially the Hellenic Republic, in Southeast Europe. We are on a highway, entering Greece from North Macedonia and now heading to the Ignatia-Odos Highway. After Thessaloniki, we head to Ioannina. After we reach Ioannina, we go to Arta and finally to Lefkada. On the Ignatia-Odos, you can find more than 30 tunnels. Greece includes the Aegean Sea to the east of the mainland, the Ionian Sea to the west, the Sea of Crete, and the Mediterranean Sea to the south. It has the longest coastline in the Mediterranean basin and features thousands of islands, including Lefkada Island. Greece is considered the cradle of Western civilization, being the birthplace of democracy, Western philosophy, Western literature, historiography, political science, major scientific and mathematical principles, theater, and the Olympic Games. The Ionian Islands region is the smallest area of the 13 administrative regions of Greece, located in the Ionian Sea. It comprises all the Ionian Islands except Kythera, which, although historically part of the island group, was separated and integrated into the Attica region. The region is based in Corfu and is divided into 5 regional units: Corfu, Ithaca, Kefalonia, Lefkada, and Zakynthos. The Ionian island of Lefkada is the nearest one to the western side of the Greek mainland, and it can even be reached by car thanks to the bridge connecting the two. The closest airport to Lefkada is Action National Airport in Preveza. No ferry connections to Lefkada are available from the mainland, and the only way to reach it is by car or bus. Lefkada is one of the most popular Ionian destinations. It is full of amazing beaches with turquoise waters, monasteries, museums, and seafront or mountainous villages with unique charm. It stands out for its exotic ambiance and breathtaking natural landscape. The main reason why the island is wildly famous is its beaches. You might have seen many pictures of the iconic seashores of Lefkada, but trust me, reality exceeds any expectations. Sandy and shingly, with mesmerizing turquoise waters, surrounded by wild nature, the beaches will amaze you. Apart from its beaches, Lefkada rewards its visitors with charming seaside villages, such as Nidri and Agios Nikitas. You will also find many naturally beautiful spots, such as Dimasari waterfalls, delicious food, and many exciting activities. Lefkada town is where the heart of the island beats. Stroll around its narrow alleys, sit at the traditional taverns to taste local delicacies, visit the Venetian Agia Mavra Castle, museums, and 18th-century churches, and immerse yourself into the island's culture. Thanks to its exotic natural landscape and scenic beaches, Lefkada is known as the Caribbean of Greece. In the next several videos, I will show you Lefkada town, the capital of the Lefkada Island, all the most spectacular beaches, explain the best things to do and where to go, and much more, as I have been staying on Lefkada for more than a month. So, remember to subscribe to Professor Xplain's channel. Thank you for watching. Keep track of more videos soon. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe down below.